Oh, wow.
And take a step forward.
Whoa. Absolutely amazing.
Blindfolds up.
Nice.
Oh, the old days.
Yeah.
The old days.
Some good memories there, aren't there?
Look at that.
2, 1. Take off the blindfold. One. Take off your blindfold. And feel free to step forward.
That's mega.
Blindfolds off. And take a step forward.
Hey, oh, that's good, isn't it? Flipping out.
Take off your blindfold.
Oh,
And take a step forward.
Oh, wow.
is this through the years?
It is.
Blimey.
Blindfolds off.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, jeez.
Baby Steve.
Blindfolds off.
Wow. Look at that.
You take your blindfold off now, but just allow your eyes to...
Wow.
Paul and Leanne.
Oh, that was a machine shop, wasn't it?
Yes.
I used to have a diving centre, machine shop, a training centre. So all that was a big swimming pool in the middle. That took them a while to fill it in.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. That was more knowledge. And obviously prior to the extension on top of the office, which we've got now.
Where was this?
That was, we went on a walk with Martin Peck and he nearly killed us. Because it was supposed to be, I think it was a 8-mile trek. And then, yeah, it ended up being 14. And Steve had to pick us up from Whaler Bridge.
Martin always used up on the routes, didn't he?
Yeah, and he'd always underestimate it as
He'd
well.
always underestimated.
Martin Peck, legend.
Get Sando doing some work. And there's me.
Doing some work.
Oh, love it.
I'll tell you what you do notice though, the growth of the company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you see like, say from this social here and then you look at some of the other group photos, you know, they're much
Yes.
smaller, aren't they?
Yeah.
You can see now.
Well, even like I say, the actual place itself, when you look at, to think that was a stores,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you know, and now we've, you know,
We've
how much
outgrown that,
outgrown
haven't
that. Yeah.
Keep needing a wider lens for people, for the group.
Yeah, it's amazing how far it's come, isn't it, really?
Yeah, completely.
Even just in like, I've only been here for 8 years, and it's in just in that space
In
of
that 8
time,
years, you
how much
notice
it's
the
grown.
difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's at the award thing, wasn't it?
You recognise,
Sando.
yeah. Who else will you know?
Kev.
Kev.
Carol. Andy.
And that was
Joe.
Joe, Salt House.
That's amazing.
Surprise.
Yeah, it's
This
great.
is what we've been working on behind the scenes.
Yeah.
They're old.
I know, the old
Machine
uniform.
shots. Wow, yeah.
And the uniform, yeah.
Yeah,
The old
famous.
machine shot team.
That's a famous hand picture.
Yeah.
I didn't hear the end of that.
So in every photo after there and out, there's a lot of photos of us all with a hand like this. Doing the Sando hand.
See if there's any more.
She's doing it.
She's in the...
Remember her? Gaynor?
Yeah, Gaynor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gaynor, yeah. There's not a face on there I don't remember, to be fair. Spencer. Martin Peck.
Yeah.
2 brothers.
Yeah, Adam and Trevor.
Adam, Trev.
Yeah. It's nice looking back there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You realise all the, like, the socials that we've done and the different occasions we've had.
Yeah.
This is one we remember.
Yes.
Yeah. So like
Rossington.
pressure tech back then were like the size of a 2 up, 2 down terraced house.
Yeah.
That was the all the pressure tech.
Yeah.
And the machine shop at the size of a double garage.
Yeah.
3 machines in it. And I always bring it up with Steve because sometimes he'll come saying, oh, you know, I'm hoping things are going to go okay and all that. And I say to him, well, do you remember Rossington Place? I said, the goods inwards, a work in progress, and the goods going out was on a 3 foot wide shelf. That was it. That was everything. The orders were like 2 of these, 5 of them, 6 of them. And then in 2011, they moved to Unit 24.
Flip it out, look at me on the tools, then.
Oh, you've had a few comments on this picture, Keith.
Have you got any pictures of Keith asleep on her works too?
Yeah,
No,
probably.
No, I didn't, but I saw plenty. Yeah, a few people have commented on that picture, Keith.
Should have said I've got loads of pictures.
I knew you would, but I couldn't reveal anything because it was all the surprise.
Well, I can still provide some.
Yeah, that'd be lovely.
I love how the hairstyles change as well through the years.
Yeah. Well, I love this bit. This was one of my favourite photos. you guys. I look such a young
Tom with his trendy do there.
Wagon and horses, that wasn't it?
Is that where that was?
I think so.
Right,
yeah.
okay. Right.
Don't have any ideas of snowy walks for 25 years. No, it's not happening. I don't mind the walk, but not in the snow.
I can get Martin Peck back, he'll take you on a walk.
He will, yeah.
Oh, is that when Jamie gave him a wig?
Is that what was in there?
God, that did so many rounds on that Christmas too. It was on your head, it was on Mark's head, it was on Glenn's head. I picked up that I'm not putting that on my head.
Nice to mark the occasion.
Yeah.
Trip down memory lane.
Yeah, the trip down memory lane. It's such a significant one too.
Is that you, Nige?
Yes.
It is.
Yeah.
Who's that then?
Mark Cooper, quality manager.
Oh, I can't.
Yep.
I know. I know. I've tilted my head the same way. I couldn't pick him out. I was trying to figure out who it was.
Yeah.
I still had a bit of hair there.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
I've said to a lot of people though, this company's all about the people.
Yeah.
It's the best place I've ever worked.
Yeah. I think this shows it when you see...
For a group of people that you don't
Yeah.
really have any bad apples. It's just everyone seems to
Everybody
get
has
on.
the moments now and again, but you know,
We're human.
we dust down and we get on with it again. You know,
Yeah.
it's good stuff. It's good stuff. It is.
Brilliant.
Aww.
Really good. Yeah, really great effort. Yeah, I think Steve and Chris will really like this.
No, that's right.
Yeah, really, really nice.
Do I pause up? Take a step forward.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I didn't have any grey hair there either.
That's not been commented on, obviously.
This is our first unit.
Yeah.
Unit 3.
So that's where the office went.
Yeah.
And I thought when we moved in, it's too big. You know, it's like
too big,
it's going to be loads of space, and then 5 years later, we need more space. Where's our storeroom then? In that look, that's our stock.
Yeah, that's
empty shelf.
Look at that.
So that was in here. That was in the back of there.
Yeah.
That unit. Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't need a vertical storage system then, did we?
Absolutely.
No, she got Lynn up there as well.
Yeah, and
Well, Lynn's been with us.
she has.
12 years, I think,
Yeah.
hasn't she?
She's here.
Yeah.
Whenever Rob's 50th was.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. Really good collection of memories there.
Yeah. Good memories. Good range of.
Good times and good future times to come.